Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you.
Contrary to the expectations of some traditionalists, the world didn't suddenly end when BMW quietly introduced front-wheel drive models a few years ago. The X1, X2, and 2 Series Gran Coupe all ride on the company's UKL platform, shared with bigger minis, bringing the combination of transversely mounted engines and drivetrains that pull rather than push. While all are offered with the option of xDrive in the US, the base, 128i, versions are all front-wheel drive, given the marketing BMW used to put behind the dynamic purity of rear-wheel drive. It isn't surprising these models' wrong-wheel drive configuration is barely mentioned. The configurator website features a prominent tab promoting the xDrive upgrade. But in Europe things are different. There, BMW has used the same mechanical package to create the 128ti, a front-drive hot hatch, one that positively celebrates the new driveline configuration. The TI suffix is drawn deep from BMW's past. The original TI, with capital letters, was launched in 1963 as a performance version of the Neue Klasse sedan. The designation stood for Turismo Internacional and brought a collection of mechanical tweaks engineered by what was then a little-known tuner called Alpina, including a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder with dual carburetors and an output of 110 horsepower. A lowercase TI version of the 2002 Coupe followed, with the later fuel-injected version becoming, with Germanic logic, the T. After a long lapse, TIA branding was brought back for the chop-tail variant of the E36, and, in Europe, E46, 3 Series, precursors to the first 1 Series hatchback.